big was that fish you said you caught?
It was 24 and a half inches. Big fish. Nice fish.
See On Water has a new fish measurement tool?
What?
Yeah, just put a pic of the fish in the On Water app and it tells you how big it is.
Oh. Well, I mean, I can do measurements in my head. You know, I was a mathlete at a community college, actually, so I don't need anything like that.
No, just text me the pic of the fish.
I don't have my phone.
It's in your hand.
Well, I don't have service.
Is that your phone?
No.
I'm calling you. I think that's your phone.
Yeah? Well, nobody's home, so looks like you're gonna have to leave a message after the beep.